Hello everyone, Jack Boyles with Steam Engines USA, and today I've got a very nice Jensen Model 100 workstation. This is a workstation that I run across a while back, and I am now offering it for sale. As you can see, it's a very clean workstation. All of the tools work. They all spin freely. A little drill, a little planer. This one I would say is in above average condition. All the paint on all the tools is good, and this is dust. I probably need to dust this thing off, but the label is on there, and it's a clean looking nice label still attached to the base. A lot of times that's gone. This is a little stain, and actually I think if you just a little bit of rubbing on that will take that off. All in all, really nice example of a Jensen 100 workstation. I'm making this videos just specifically to attach it to the eBay auction. So if you're looking for a nice Jensen, that's just dust right there. That'll clean up. Go bid on this auction and get yourself one. This one's a very nice one to add to any collection. So from High Point, North Carolina, Steam Engines USA, thanks for watching.